Hey friends, I'm Valerie from MotoPress. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're setting up Stripe, our first online payment method in the WordPress Booking Calendar plugin. With Stripe, you're not limited to credit cards. Customers can also use wallets or local payment methods, depending on where they're based. And before we dive in, just make sure you already have a Stripe account created. We'll need it in a second. Alright then, let's roll up our sleeves and walk through the setup together. First things first, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Calendars. Make sure you already have at least one calendar and a form set up. Then go into Settings. Under the General tab, you'll see an option called Confirmation Mode. This needs to be set to Upon Payment. That part is crucial because without it, Stripe won't even step in. Right below, pick your preferred currency from the drop-down. Also set the currency position the way you want. And once that's done, hit Save Settings to lock everything in. Okay, moving on. Switch over to the Payments tab. Here you can choose a default payment method and specify the time in minutes for completing the payment. Don't forget to save if you change anything. And right at the top, there it is, our very first online payment option, Stripe. Go ahead and click it. At the top, enable the checkbox to activate Stripe. Just below, you'll notice a Sandbox option. We recommend switching this on for now, so you can safely test payments before going live. I'll enable it too. Next, the title. That's exactly what will show up at checkout. You can leave it or rename it to something more fitting. Then there is the description, and this text also appears on the checkout page. By default, it tells users they can pay securely via Stripe. You can edit it if you'd like. Now here comes the core of the setup, the API keys and the configuration ID. Without these, Stripe won't run. You'll need a public key and a secret key, which you can grab from your Stripe dashboard under the API tab. The public key always starts with PK underscore and the secret one with SK or RK if it's restricted. So copy those from the Stripe account and paste them into the right fields here. Next up, the payment methods configuration ID. So what's that? It's like the connector between the plugin and the exact set of payment methods you've enabled in Stripe. So without it, the plugin won't know what to display at checkout. In your Stripe dashboard, create a new configuration. It can bundle different methods like credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or even region-specific wallets. Stripe assigns this bundle a unique ID, and that's the one we'll paste here. So let's do it. So in your Stripe account, click Create a Configuration. That's the button with the plus icon. A pop-up with instructions will appear. Read them. Give your configuration a name. And hit Save. Done. Now you'll see the list of available methods. Keep in mind that what you can offer depends on the country set in your Stripe account. So the options may look different for different businesses. One important note here, make sure the currency in the plugin matches the supported currencies of your Stripe methods. For example, if a method only supports euros, but your plugin is set to dollars, that method won't show up. To activate a method, just hit turn on, and you can learn more about each one by clicking the three-dot icon. And of course, you can turn them off later if you change your mind. And once everything looks good, copy the configuration ID and paste it into the plugin. Alright, now let's look at the optional Webhook secret key. It's not required, but it's strongly recommended. Why? Because it verifies that incoming requests are actually from Stripe, and without it, anyone could try to send fake requests. And with the secret in place, your site can securely handle events like payments succeed, failed, cancelled, or requiring action. To set this up, go into your Stripe dashboard, then Webhook settings, click the plus icon to add endpoint, paste in the endpoint URL that the plugin gives you, then add these event types: payment cancelled, payment failed, payment requires action, and payment succeed. Don't forget to click add endpoint, then reveal the sign-in secret. Copy and paste it into the plugin field. And finally, we have the checkout locale. If you keep it on auto, Stripe will automatically show the checkout page in the customer's preferred language. So now just save everything and you're good to go. Okay, before we jump to testing, let's quickly check out the notifications. So before the update, we only had two types of notifications, both for admins and customers, when a new booking is received and when a booking is cancelled. Now there is a new template available, and this one triggers specifically when a payment is received. Let's create it. First, I'll make a payment received template for the admin. You'll see the trigger here is exactly when the payment is completed. And of course, we'll add another notification for the customer too. These templates are meant to save you time, so the setup is quick. Don't forget, using tags, you can customize the message however you need. Also, worth mentioning, as an admin, you can still create automated emails for other events, like when the booking is first received, not just when payment is confirmed. So it's up to you. You can have both. Now let's see it all in action with a quick test booking. I'll open the calendar. In this example, it's set up for daily bookings. I'll select rental dates, let's say a 2-day booking, add it to the cart. Since multiple bookings are supported, I could add more, but for now, let's keep just one. Next, checkout. By the way, if you'd like to add extra fields at checkout, we have a full tutorial on that in our playlist dedicated to the Booking Calendar plugin. So worth checking out. Then, onto the payment. Let's test the credit card option first. After clicking Book Now, the customer lands on the booking confirmation page. And straight away we can check the inbox for the notification. Let's try one more method, for example, Cash App Pay. In the test environment, I'll simulate a scan and authorize a test payment. And there we go, another successful booking. And again, check the inbox. The notification is there. All good. As the admin, you can track everything right in your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Bookings menu and you'll see a list of all reservations. Click on any booking to see the full details, including payment info. On the right side, there are logs, so you can keep track of everything. And if you need the transaction ID, just click here. And for extra convenience, there is also a separate payments menu. Now let's switch back to Stripe to make sure everything went through. Here are the transactions, all of which were successful. Payment management with Stripe means the checkout only shows payment options that actually work for your customers, and that depends on the currency, restrictions, and their location. That way, there are no surprises at checkout. And that's it. We walked through every Stripe setting inside the Booking Calendar plugin and even tested a few payments. Now your customers can book online and pay instantly. And if you still have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more MotoPress tutorials. See you in the next one!